Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My introduction myself, name is Julian Aswar from PBDD. I will here to all reading the title Methods of Education Art versus Race. A teacher from a western country precisely visits an elementary school in an Asian country in one class. She watched 60 young children as they learned to draw a cat. The teacher drew a big circle of the blackboard and 60 children copied in the paper. The teacher drew a smaller circle on top on the first and they put two triangles on top of it. The children drew in the same way. The lesson continued until 3:61 exactly cats in the classroom. Each student gets looked exactly like the ones of the board. The visiting teacher watched the lesson and was surprised. The teaching methods were very much different from the way of teaching in how can country children art listen in her own country product the format of unique picture, each one completely different from the other. Why? What causes this difference in education methods in a classroom in any country? This is character teacher more than our history of language. He or she also teaches culture, the idea and the living of that society. Each education system is a mirror that reflects the culture of the society. In a society such as a United States or Canada, which has many national, religion, and cultural difference, people high value individualism, the difference between people. Teacher place a lot of continuous system in this country show their value. Students do not memorize information inside the world individually and find and share themselves. There is often discussion in this classroom. At the elementary age, students learn to form their own idea and opinion. In most Asian societies, by contrast, the people have the same language, history, and culture. Purpose of this reason, the education system in much of the Orient reflects sociation belief in group goals and purpose rather than individualism. Children in China, Japan, and Korea often work together and help each other in assessment. In this classroom, the teaching methods are often very formal. The teacher, lecturer, and the student listen. There is not much discussion inside that the student searches rules and information that they have in memories. They are adventure researchers to both of the system or education. For example, when it fetches to the system in Japan, the students they are learn much more match and such that American students learn by the end or high school. There are also students more hours each day and more day each year. The North America too. The system is difficulty, but it prepares students for a socially value discipline and social control, self-control. There is, however, a decisive virus. Memories is an important learning measure in Japanese school, yet many students say that after an exam, they forget most of the information that they have memorized. The advantages of the education system in North America on the often other hand, in students learn to think for themselves. The system prepares them for a society that values creativity idea. There is, however, a disadvantage. A student graduates from high school that haven't memorized many basic rules and finds a student is another country have. And then, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.